In this video, I will tell you how to fix the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is open up your browser and then go to incognito mode. If you don't know what incognito mode is, then type Control Shift N if you have Windows, and if you have Mac, then type Command Shift N, and then you would be in the incognito mode. But if you are using Firefox browser, which I'm using right now, then you would need to type Control Shift B, and then you would be in the private browser. After that, just go to the ChatGPT website and log in or sign up, and then your email should work perfectly fine. But if it doesn't work still, then go to this website veepn.com and then get this VPN, and it should work perfectly fine. I don't even think you would need the VPN for this, but just go to your incognito mode and then it should work perfectly fine. If you still have any questions, comment down below and I will reply to you. Thank you so much for watching.